What's up YouTube? My name is Lemon and on this channel I share everything I know about coffee. Today we're going to be talking about how to make coffee at home. We're going to talk about cold brew, we're going to talk about dirty chai, and we're going to talk about hot chai. All things that I use today will be linked in the description box below. Pretty much everything I got off of Amazon. Let's start with how to make cold brew. So you have the Alto cold brew filters. You fill it with a whole bag of coarsely ground coffee. Stick the coffee in the pitcher, fill the pitcher up to water, add your lid, and stick it in the fridge. It'll be ready in 16 hours. Alright, so we're going to make a hot chai first. I've heated the milk up in the microwave and now we're just going to use the frother to foam it up. I'm using oat milk, so that was kind of a bad choice. It doesn't froth up, but I wanted to make everything vegan. And now we're going to add 3 scoops of chai. Depending on the size of your cup, you're going to want more or less. I have right around a 16-ounce cup, so I'm going to use 3 scoops. I'm using the brand David Rio. It's a really cool company that part of the proceeds gets donated to saving whichever animal is on the flavor. So for right now, I'm using tiger spice. I'm still trying to get foam here. Oat milk. Next, we're going to make a dirty chai. I'm using hot coffee as the base and pouring the 3 scoops of chai into the hot coffee, mixing it together and adding some cold brew in as well. I'm going to mix that together and then put some ice in there. I like to top my dirty chais off with a little bit of oat milk, just so it gives it more of a creamy consistency. Once I pour it into the cup, I'm going to use those cool little things along the side. They're stencils for cinnamon powder, so you can make little designs. They work best on hot drinks, especially the foamy ones, but I'm using oat milk and I couldn't foam. Ta-da! Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching until the end. I'm definitely going to do another cold brew series. Just there's so much you can do with cold brew. Flavor wise, you can make lattes without an espresso machine, and I will go over all the cold brew tips and tricks with you in a different video. And this wouldn't be an average lemon video if I did not include a crazy story time. So this guy walks in today and he's like, comes up to the counter and he's looking at all the muffins and he goes, "So what's the difference between a blueberry muffin and an apple cinnamon muffin?" I'm not sure how to respond to a question like that. So I said, well, I mean, one has apples and cinnamon and the other one has blueberries. And he said, "Great, give me both." A day in the life of a barista, let me tell you guys. So if you found this video helpful, funny, really anything, just please like and subscribe to my channel and leave comments below on what you guys want to see next. Thank you so much for watching and have such an awesome day.